So assuming you've already followed me, if you haven't, click that follow button. But anyways, if you haven't seen part 1, definitely go check out part 1 of me unboxing this. I'm doing a full review on this seller. I will give her information at the end of this series or whatever. But yeah, so we got to this part. She boxed it very well. I was kind of worried because when I got my other chunks, they were just like chunks. This is supposed to be real big block chunks. So I'm interested to see how it comes out. But make sure you follow so you guys can know when I disclose her information and all of that good stuff. But let's get into this. As always, I got my big container right here, so I'm definitely gonna just add this to that because it's chunks anyway, so I won't make a full mess. Pour it out on camera so you have to see. Wow, what's coming out. Wow, this is crazy. Oh my god, look at all those chunks. It looks like a damn, oh my god, my mouth is watering just by that, but it looks like a fucking, like rocks. Let's try one. I'm gonna try a little one. And then do a part 3. So y'all can like get a lot of crunches in. But let's try this. This is not even a little one, but. Oh god, my mouth is watering. I'm gonna try one more. So good. Follow for part 3.